Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And for all my new members, thank you for coming along. Well, today on Ron's Keto Cafe, we're making a French style egg loaf. For this particular recipe, you'll need 8 eggs at room temperature, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a stick of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that's optional, by the way. Once you got everything all pre-mixed, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. And when the fork or the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready to eat. And what's great about this particular recipe, you can put it in the refrigerator for a few days, and then I'll take it and fry it up and add a little bit of maple syrup when we come back and do the follow-up. But without further ado, let's just go right into the recipe. If you just follow me along with this particular recipe, you'll be fine. And over here we are cracking 8 eggs into a Ninja blender bullet. And I know I said melted butter, but my blender is strong enough, so I just put the butter in. It was basically room temperature butter. Added the baking powder and coconut flour, and then I mixed it for about 5 or 6 minutes. So now it's time to go ahead and blend the mixture onto the Ninja blender. So what I did was I hooked it up to the machine, plugged it in obviously, and then I ended up blending it out for about maybe 20-30 seconds, and I thought maybe I could just leave it by itself, but my particular Ninja blender moves all over the place. Now here I am taking the lid off of the Ninja blender bullet itself, and you have just be careful when I'm taking the lid off. You can hear like a little noise, and I'm just trying to adjust the camera angle so you can get a better look at what's going on when I pop the lid off. As I recall, when you pop the lid off, and there's will be a little bit of pressure on it because you're going to be mixing that up under pressure. So when you pour your mixture in your pan, let your mixture settle in on the Ninja blender bullet for at least 5 to 10 minutes to get everything all to settle down into the bottom of your cup before you actually put it into your pan. Over here you have one of those cheap throwaway pans that I picked up at Ocean State Job Lot for pennies on the dollar, and then I'm spraying it with a little bit of cooking oil spray. And then from that point on, I'll take the mixture and put it into the pan. Again, we put it in the oven for a 350 degree preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until the knife comes out clean. And I was trying to adjust the angle on this camera over here, but giving me a little bit of fits. And then once you pour the mixture onto the pan, the whole mixture just fit in there really great. And then I put a little bit of cinnamon on top, and I made kind of a little design with the knife there. And yeah, so this recipe came out really good, and I hope you enjoyed the music that I've been selecting. Now I'm using a new program called Filmora 12, and it seems to be pushing my videos along a lot better, but I'm still using Adobe Premiere because I need to use both programs for my video editing. Well, loaf just came out of the oven. It cooled down for a little while, and over here I'm cutting it up into 4 squares. I'm going to pop one out, put it on a paper plate, and put a little bit of sugar-free maple syrup on it. And yeah, this is great for egg fasting. It's just about any kind of meal you want, and again, you can have these over the course of the day. If you're hungry, you just pop them in the microwave, or eat it cold in the air fryer, over the stove, however your favorite method is to cooking these up. And I really enjoy these particular egg loaves when I make them from time to time. I probably should have them a little more often than what I do, but you know, at the end of the day, you do you. And And again, there you have our final product. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for all you new subscribers, again, thank you very much for coming along. And I look forward from time to time putting more and more videos like this together for you guys to enjoy. And yeah, so it's been really fun. They got a great new program called Filmora 12, and 1 yearly subscription fee for around $60, and great music and a ton of effects. And as I get more and more familiarized with the program, my videos will get better and better and better. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember, I love you, God loves you. Have an amazing day.